Oh, goodness, that's cold. Whoa! Something just about hit me.
Oh no.
At checkout, we hand out a certificate to considerate guests.
A piece of paper? Hard pass. Ooh, dibs.
Leo, behave. We just got here.
Whoa there, careful, man.
Oh, sorry.
Those carts are for luggage, not riding. Tip too far, it goes over.
Would you like some help with that?
Oh, that's very sweet of you. Thank you.
Smart. Heavy stuff low, light stuff on top.
Can I help you?
Oh, wrong room. Sorry. Every room resets its lock for the next guest anyway.
Oh, goodness, that's cold.
No running by the pool. Wet tile is a top cause of slips. Nice and safe entry.
Leo, wait! Did you check the price card first? These items are not free. That bar is probably $8.
$8? Yeah, I saw the prices. I'll just grab a snack from our bag instead.
Appreciate that.
$8 chocolate bars aren't really my thing.
Man, it's nearly 11. Some of us still have a deadline tonight.
Oh, sorry. Didn't realize how loud that was.
Ah, a quiet one. Appreciated.
Those are for the guests staying in that room. They are not for taking as you walk by.
Oh, sorry. Didn't think about it that way.
Thank you for the space, sweetheart.
Of course, and thanks for making the room so nice.
Whoa, careful. That's slippery.
I am so sorry. Let me clean this up right now.
Nice and neat. Don't overfill. Looks like most of this is going back.
I just wanted to try a bit of everything.
Clean plate, always nice to see.
Guess I ordered the right amount.
Oh, guess I'll grab a wipe first.
Huh. That sign's kinda hard to miss.
Oh, nice. All set already?
Wait, why didn't housekeeping come today?
This might be why.
Oh. Oh no, I forgot that was even there.
Good call, flipping that.
Figured we'd want the room cleaned while we're out. Wonder how long it'd take to hit the ground. Leo, what are you doing? Put that down.
Whoa! Something just about hit me.
Oh no.
What happened? What did you drop?
My shoe. Off the balcony.
I didn't think it could actually hurt someone. We got a report of an item thrown from this floor.
Oh, Leo. You didn't really listen to me. I know, I wasn't even looking down.
That's why you never drop things from a balcony. You can't see who's below.
I'm really sorry. I dropped something from our balcony without thinking about anyone.
Well, thank you for coming to say that yourself. Well handled. We'll consider this resolved.
All clean and fresh for the next person.
Young man, appreciate you wiping it down.
Quiet mode on. People are resting.
Now that's what I call quiet hours.
Nice touch with the note.
They work hard all day. Least we can do. Hey, buddy, careful. Those carts tip easily. They're just for luggage.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
The guest downstairs called down just to say how sincere your apology was.
That matters more than a perfect trip. Oh, wow. Thanks. Look at you, responsible traveler.
So, what's one thing you'll remember for next time?
Look before you drop anything off a balcony. Learn that one the hard way.
Where should we stay next? Type your idea below. See you next time.